Next cut. Please bring your containers forward.
Coming right away, Saab.
The quality seems excellent today.
Keep it steady like that. Perfect, the sample volume is sufficient now. We should have the results shortly.
Steady now, right into the funnel.
That's perfect.
The quality score is excellent.
Yeah.
Payment confirmed instantly to your account.
Ah, that is very good news. Thank you.
Well done.
The milk is rapidly cooled to 4 degrees Celsius, preserving freshness for the market. Inside the clarifier, milk spins at high velocity. Centrifugal force removes the denser, invisible impurities and bacteria.
The separation efficiency is holding steady at 99.8%.
And the fat content in the skim is negligible.
The system continuously monitors the flow, adjusting the mix in real time to ensure we hit that precise.
Here at Amul, milk is rapidly heated to exactly 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. This
Before the city wakes, our network ensures freshness, delivering thousands of crates across the region.